I'm going to show you how you can easily reactivate your Grubhub driver account. First, visit the Grubhub driver support page, which is driver-support.grubhub.com. Then, click on Submit a Request at the top right corner of the page. Use the same email address you previously used to sign in to your account. Next, select the topic I have delivered a Grubhub order. Choose the subtopic I think my account has been paused or is inactive. Then select the issue I took a break from Grubhub and would like to start delivering again. Attach required documents, a clear photo of your current driver's license, car insurance, and Grubhub driver card. If you don't have a Grubhub driver card, indicate that you have lost it or never received one. Now, submit the form and wait for Grubhub to process your reactivation request.